Alright, my name is Luke Goodman, and I'm here to tell you why math is pointless and why I hate it. First off, it's not my strongest subject, and I question why we have to learn the things we have and we're never going to use it again in our life. Half of the math we have done in high school we will never use in life, especially half the things we learned in Mr. Boyer's class. First off, at the beginning of the year, geometric and arithmetic sequences looked like a different language, as you had to solve 5 different things in one problem. One problem took up the entire page and looked like a word search puzzle when it was finished. I don't understand how Mr. Boyer expected us to remember a numerous amount of formulas when the test came, because it literally took the whole page up if you actually knew how to do it, not me. I tried to write a bunch of numbers down that looked like it was right, so maybe he would give me a few extra points, because no matter how much I look at it, how much I studied, there was no way I was learning 5 different formulas that took up a whole sheet of paper. When we learned the complicated math, Mr. Boyle would write on the active board like he was teaching a college class because of how fast he wrote. Like, dude, please slow down. When we did the project where we circumnavigated the world, we had to find a country and a famous food and souvenir and some other things, which was pointless and a waste of time. I mean, the math wasn't, but the food and the souvenir was. Solving linear equations was one of the most stupidest things, and I still didn't know how to solve them. Pascal's triangle is a simple thing to do until you try to remember the triangle in your head or remember the 100 buttons to click on your calculator. SOHCAHTOA is pretty easy in some problems, but it just sounds retarded. All the tests we had with all the formulas we had to remember were not even multiple choice. Well, at least you made the sequences and right triangle test multiple choice, because that's the only one I passed. IXL is fun and a great way to learn, but I swear I get to a 99% every time I miss one, and it brings me down 10 points. Mr. Boyer is a great teacher, don't get me wrong, but the things we learned in the first quarter killed my grade, and they were pointless.